Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this free app by clicking. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So this is the app that we will be benefiting of. This is the app or website that anyone can use to start making real money online. And it's something we've never talked about before in this channel. It accepts payments through PayPal, Paytm, Pioneer, bank transfer, UPI, Bitcoin, and other methods. As a result, it is a fantastic way to start earning money. It's an amazing piece of software for complete beginners because it doesn't require any prior knowledge or special abilities. You may sign up for free and start earning money right away, but there's something you'll need to do first. So first and foremost, go to many.link, which is the platform of which you must register before registering for the preceding app that would truly pay you. Don't worry, it's all absolutely free and it doesn't involve any selling or affiliate marketing. Therefore, there are no affiliate links required. Many.link is now a fully functional website where you can sign up and construct a free landing page for your links. For free, you can host several links on a single appealing page. Many downlinks, as you can see, consolidate all of the links you want to share onto a single appealing page, requiring you to share only one page rather than several links. Now, I understand that you can have as many links as you want on your Instagram profile, but don't worry, you don't need an Instagram account to do this. I'm not going to tell you to make an Instagram page or anything. In fact, you don't even need to be a member of Instagram. Come over to a large group of individuals in any case. Link, then select Get Started to see this option right here, which will allow you to register for free. Enter your email address in this box, create a unique username that will be your custom link, and join up for a free account at many.link to do so. This is how it will seem. You can change your profile picture and description as well as add different links to your landing page and see your special links at the bottom of your page inside your brand new account. You can copy that and send it to people as a link. Your profile photo, description, and numerous links on this page will be visible to them. You'll see how the previous app and the program I'm about to provide you work together to make you a lot of money on semi-autopilot. All I ask is that you create a many-link account and leave it open for the time being. In a moment, we'll return to your account. Now, I want you to go to Google and come up with a list of niches and categories that you may use, such as fishing, cooking, weight loss, fitness, internet, marketing, business finance, computer, science, technology, or any other specialty that comes to mind. You can even focus on a topic that interests you individually and look for fascinating and useful articles in that field. So, if I want to focus on the weight loss niche, I can look for articles on how to lose weight fast, how to get six-pack abs fast, how to shed fat fast, and so on. If I Google how to get a six-pack fast, for example, I'll be presented with millions of different articles from which to choose and profit. So, how are you going to put that to use? All you have to do now is copy the links to those articles and don't worry, you won't be making any money. You will not be promoting any paid items or services. All you want to do is copy your URL. I'll copy the title of the items initially and then return to numerous if the first one that shows up is the 8 top techniques to achieve six-pack abs fast, for example. Then put a link right here. Paste the header, in my instance, the 6 best ways to get six-pack abs fast, and leave it as that for now. We'll return to this URL field later, but for now, copy the article URL by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy Link Address from the menu. After you've copied that, go to the app we'll be using. The main website that will pay you is ShortFly.com, which is a place where we can shorten URL and earn money every time someone clicks on that precise URL. This is the one we're going to use because it pays the most, pays the fastest, and even pays you every day. You don't have to wait weeks or months for your money because you can withdraw it right away. They have an excellent referral program with very high payouts, a high-quality website, and a large user base. It's available all over the world and it's absolutely free. And it accepts all of the payment options we described at the beginning of this video. So it's a good one and you can use their website like I am right now. I'm using the desktop version since it's easier for me to describe it. Or you can use their absolutely free app which is available for both iOS and Android. So go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for ShortFly. Download the app for free and use it solely with your smartphone device. If you don't have a smartphone device, go to ShortFly.com instead. Now, if you go to their payment proofs page, you can see all of the people from all over the world who are making money every couple of minutes using this website. And the list goes on and on. All you have to do now is go to ShortFly.com or download their app, sign up, create a unique username for your account, and enter your legitimate email address, which you will need to confirm later. Create a password, then retype it. Then by clicking on one of these two links, you can read their terms of service and privacy policy. Click I accept the terms of a service and the privacy statement. And I'm ready to sign up right now. When you create a new ShortFly account, this is what it will look like when you log in. Because it's a new account, it'll say $0 for now. But that will change when you start generating traffic using the software I'm about to give you at the end of the video. For the time being, all I ask is that you click on this new shortened URL and paste the link to the article into the box. Simply paste the material into the box and press the shorten button. You'll now have a short and sweet link that pays you every time someone clicks on it. ShortFly pays you for such clicks because those people will first be directed to an ad landing page, where they will be shown some advertising that they can ignore. And if they skip those advertisements, they will be directed back to the content. As a result, ShortFly and you are merely splitting ad money. People who click on this link are not required to sign up for anything, buy anything, or spend any money. All they have to do is skip the advertisement and you will be compensated. It's 1,000 times easier to persuade someone to click on a link than it is to persuade them to buy something or sign up for something. After you have copied the abbreviated URL, return to your many.link account and paste it into the URL field. Simply click Create Link after that. You have now created your first download landing page and added your first link to it. Now, I just want you to keep doing this until you have 5 or 10 distinct links on your many.link landing page. So let's give it another shot. I'll start a new article. So for example, I'll utilize this one to discover how to get six-pack abs fast, and then I'll go back to many others. Go to ShortFly.com, click generate shortened link right here, paste the link into this area, hit short, and wait for it to load. I'm going to copy and paste this shortened URL into additional sites. It's now or never to click the link. If I click the built link, 2 separate URLs will appear on my landing page. Now, when I send visitors to these various link landing pages, they'll see 2 unique boxes where they may click, and I'll be paid for each click. The more clicks you get, the more money you can make. Instead of sending visitors to a single link, we'll send them to a landing page where they'll be able to click on 5 or 10 distinct links, allowing you to 5 times or 10 times your profits and results. So let me demonstrate how that works. You'll see a landing page like this if you copy this many.link account and navigate to it. So you're directing people to this page, and as you can see, your profile image followed by your shortened links looks fairly nice. Repeat the process until your landing pages have at least 5 to 10 separate links on them. After you've finished adding those links, click copy next to your many.link landing page address and then copy it. All that's left now is to get people to click on this link. You can make money from this click, and I've been doing it for a few months now, utilizing this software that generates traffic in about 30 seconds for free. So make an account, log in, connect it to Instagram, and build your Autobots and order Messenger that will bring you traffic in 30 seconds. And because you're not selling anything, visitors will be directed to a landing page where they can click on free links. They will discover how to get six-pack abs swiftly in this scenario. You can just sign up for a free social media networks like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit if you don't want to spend money on software. Let's pretend you'd like to use Instagram. Whether it's football, basketball, weight loss, or fishing, you can join Instagram and create a page in your area. Simply create a page for whatever niche you're in. That might be a weight loss niche page that you build by reposting content from other similar Instagram accounts, crediting them in the caption, and then providing your own remarks. The link in your bio will be visible to all visitors on your page, and since you're not selling anything, you are simply providing free value. They are simply required to click on those links. No other actions is expected of them. Many of your followers will be grateful, and social media can help you gain a lot of free publicity. It will take a little longer to set up, but if you have a number of different pages and profiles on all of those social networking sites, promoting your mini.link can help you get a lot of traffic and clicks. As you can see, the more clicks you get, the more money you get. And this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you in the next one.